Wild deer are the most loved and respected of game. They're beautiful, majestic creatures, whilst their meat is widely regarded as the most regal of delicacies. Now, I've been given the chance to hunt and kill a deer myself.
I'm in the middle of the forest here in Thetford, right in the heart of Norfolk. I've never shot a deer, I've never been stalking before, and I cannot wait.
I've always wanted to stalk wild deer. It's one of the ultimate standoffs between man and beast. A centuries-old tradition with a huge payoff. A chance to eat some of the finest game in the world.
Alan, how are you, sir?
Hi, Gordon. Welcome to Thetford.
Expert deer hunter Alan McCormick is going to show me the ropes. It doesn't sound easy.
And what you're looking at doing is lining up on the back of the leg.
Right.
All right, and it's a third to halfway up. And essentially, that's going to go through the vital organs of the heart and lungs in the deer.
And that's a clean...
That's a clean shot.
OK, good. Excellent. How exciting.
You know, you can see that. OK, nice and steady. 3 up. Not breathe.
So that's a...
Squeeze when you're ready.
Stags can weigh up to 350 kilo, almost 4 times my weight. And it takes great skill to kill a fully grown deer humanely.
And, of course, the problem is that if you need that second shot,
yeah,
we need to then sort it out quickly.
I only hope I can make the all-important clean kill when it's my time to pull the trigger.
Oh, shit. I can't see any holes there. Oh, there's one.
There's 2. There's 3.
God.
Now, every one of those shots would have taken that deer and killed it.
Really?
Outright. You're obviously a driven and competitive person. This isn't a competition. We've got to wait till this is all right.
Absolutely.
And every time it's right, then it's fine. Shots on, we take it.
Of course.
Well done.
We'll hunt for real tomorrow. In the meantime, Alan's got some fresh venison liver from a kill first thing this morning. It will make the perfect hunter's meal.
And what fascinates me with this particular dish is that the deer stalkers back in the early days would sort of treat this as their main meal.
Fry up some shallots, pancetta, a bit of wild garlic and some mushrooms.
It smells fucking delicious. Just leave them there. I'm just going to do a really nice sort of crouton for the bacon to sit on, into the olive oil, and now for the liver. It's times like this I feel a little bit like Hannibal Lecter. Nice big thick slices. It's really important when you're cooking with liver is season the liver at the very last minute. Otherwise, it dries out. Look at the colour of that liver. 1 minute each side. Pan smoking. Almost treat it like you're cooking a nice piece of fillet steak, a tail piece of fillet. And I tell you what, it doesn't become any fresher than that. I'm surprised there's no more deer that rock up. That smells amazing. Right. Look at that, man. That's so rich.
That is nice. That really is nice.
It's off to bed, early to rise. The stalk starts at dawn.
We need to be really quiet here. OK, you can have a deer at any point, anywhere.
The plan is to stalk in silence before we see a deer, then take aim and fire. But with a film crew, a thick mist and my inexperience, that's easier said than done.
There's 2 deer just down the side of the field.
Shit, they're just gone.
After 2 hours of trudging around on the ground, we still had no luck. It was time to move to a high seat, which in this weather should give us more chance.
OK. Take as much time as you can and need.
Yeah. Oh, what's that there?
Yeah, it's a hare.
I love hair. Look at him.
Lovely animal, isn't he?
Can I take him out?
No, you bloody won't.
Damn. What do you do when you're this high up and you're in desperate need for number 2? Oh, there you go. He's just come out.
Yeah, steady, steady, steady. It's all right. Well, they may come back again.
Fuck.
Oh, I know. It's too far. There it is. There it is. There. Steady.
There they are.
Steady.
For a clean, quick kill, a deer needs to be side on and standing still.
Come on, you little bastard. Turn side on.
No. No. No.
Damn. So frustrating. Damn.
There is a condition called buck fever, and it's essentially when people get excited and their anticipation and adrenaline of trying to...
A bit like I've got now.
Exactly.
There's another one. There's another one.
After hours of stalking, I had the perfect clear shot of a beautiful wild deer in my sights.
Now. Yeah. Wait till he stops. Now.
But something didn't feel right.
You're gonna have to do it shortly.
Instead of pulling the trigger, I took my finger off it. That was really frustrating after all those hours spent stalking the deer, and then the chase is exciting, there's no two ways about that. That's very sort of boyish, but it's really weird when you get it in your sight and you think, God, should I pull that trigger or not? I don't know. Maybe I'm becoming a vegetarian.